Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So, Numerianus, oh there, what a nickname, Smith-Morra gambit. So bishop d3, I wanted to try out. Okay, I think I'm getting a good position here, reasonable. Knight e4, no, Queen A4, does that move? Right, so F5 just to sort of get some pressure here with F5. Or C4. Let's B file for a moment. Now Queen A4, and then what's going on here? King E2, double on the B file. Oh, that G file looks interesting. Takes and Queen C2 is almost a problem there. In fact, onto Rook G1, how does he defend G5? Rook G8, okay. Can I do this? Queen C7, Bishop G6 simply. No Knight D4 right now, so I just want to play Bishop G6. Right, so he's got that, yeah. Get both rooks here on the H and G. So Bishop F5, this looks like good pressure. Rook H5 is threatened. I'll play Rook H5 here, that's Rook H8. Play Bishop takes instead. Queen C4, King E3. Maybe E6 is an idea taken here. E6, Rook H5, Rook H8.
Check.
E6 for E takes. Interesting. I know my king looks weird there, but I can't see. Okay, Bishop B4. Yeah, maybe he can exploit it. I get time for E6. No. Not really enough time. And there's F5. I'll move away. We'll take here. There's Rook H8. I'll play here though for F5. That might be interesting. If Bishop G5, there's F4. If F6, then I can take here. There's no Rook H8 because that's G6. So F5 looks good. Is he really going to let me attack him like this? F5. Can't see the immense counterplay right now. So I'm running F6. And so I can take, and then F4, I can play F4. Maybe King F2 to threaten F6. Right, where's that bishop going? E6, we'll just get the king out of here. Bishop B2, okay. E6 first, or FG, then F5. Hang on, I think that's quite quick. And this is a rook E5. This is quite quick. Rook G6. Right, so F6, King F2. So I'm on the bishop. The bishop's on the. Right, so I can take that, and then think about it from there.
Check.
Rook G6. Oh, there's Queen G6. Okay, so maybe F6 first. Then I'll be threatening Rook G6, Queen H5. He's not really going to set the rook, is he? So Rook G6, Queen H5 looks good. Yeah, I think that's
check.
The end of his king safety.
Checkmate.
Yeah, that was a fun one. I enjoyed that. I don't know about you guys. Yeah, I thought it was okay here. It was a bit risky when he took that h-pawn. He was asking for a bit of trouble there. He got a bit of trouble. So the engine doesn't actually mind this position. Queen D1 was mentioned. Oh, Rook H. Why is Rook H1 so good here? Oh, the bishop's traps. Come on. I'll just take here. I'm winning the bishop. What am I up at? I've just won the bishop. We just blocked the bishop. Oh, please. What a game. What a game. Oh, now black's actually better. So again, why is this better? Takes. Alright. Yes, I thought I had a really good position. Even though I'm playing it though, it's slightly better for white.
Check.
King E3 is crazy though. Maybe still okay for white. Could take on H5. F5 is dangerous. I just can't see the defensive resources here when I'm stripping out that that G file. It's +6.
Check.
Yeah. This is +6.
Check.
Pretty crushing. Hope you enjoyed it. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.